Hi everyone, my name is Dimitri Davis. I'm a project manager overseeing U.S. Army maintenance contract. I work with a dedicated team of civilian contractors who are responsible for ensuring that Army equipment is fully mission capable. Although I've transitioned out of the uniform, I still support the Army every day, just in a different way. While the job title has changed from Sergeant First Class to project manager, the mission hasn't. What I do today at my base closely mirrors what I did while serving on active duty. I'm still responsible for coordinating, inspecting, and tracking the maintenance and readiness of equipment that soldiers, police officers, firefighters, and base personnel rely on. Now let's talk about what we actually maintain. At my base, our scope is wide and varied. We maintain military police boats that patrol the waterways, fire department apparatus, including ladder trucks and brush rigs, heavy equipment like forklifts and cranes, and tactical vehicles like the Polaris ATVs. We also perform weapon services, everything from M4 carbines and 9mm pistols and shotguns used by security forces. Each piece of equipment has specific roles, and making sure it's functional properly is crucial to the safety and efficiency of our operations. Let's walk through how our maintenance process works. The process typically begins with the unit identifies an issue or hits a scheduled maintenance interval. A work order is submitted using the Army System of Record, GCSS Army, which stands for Global Combat Support System, Army. The digital platform tracks every piece of equipment and logs its service history. Once the work order is submitted, our technicians inspect the equipment, determine what services are needed, and begin repairs or preventive maintenance. After repairs are complete, we shift to dispatch procedures. This step is critical and often overlooked by those outside the maintenance world. Before any vehicle, weapon, or piece of equipment can go back into service, it has to be properly dispatched. We verify that all services are current, ensure that any required parts or software updates have been completed, and confirm that the operator has the proper license. A pre-maintenance checks and services, or PMCS, must also be conducted and logged. Dispatch packages are reviewed by supervisors and leaderships before the item is cleared for release. It's not just about checking boxes, it's about ensuring safety, accountability, and readiness. All of this is done under two major funding streams, TWICA and OMA, which pot of money we use depends on the unit, the mission, and the equipment intended to use for. For example, a fire truck used across base operation fall under TWICA, while a unit-specific tactical vehicle would fall under OMA. This matters because funding affects how quickly we can order parts, schedule repairs, and track completion. According to the 2023 report for the Government Accountability Officer, nearly 70% delays in military operations are linked to deferred or incomplete equipment maintenance. GAO 2023. That's a huge number and one we're consistently working on to improve. It's not just about getting things fixed, it's about preventing problems before they cause mission failure. I pride myself on our team approach. Our operation includes contractors, military leaders, QA inspectors, and logistic coordinations. Everyone has a role to play, from ordering parts and managing work orders to inspecting repairs and closing out documentation. It's a full circle process that depends on communication, planning, and attention to detail. Our work is guided through Army Regulation 750-1, which governs the Army Maintenance Program. In my role, I serve as a bridge between the military mission requirements and the contract execution. To wrap it up, I want to emphasize behind every successful mission is a lot of hard technical, and often unseen work. Whether it's a piece of heavy equipment or a single rifle, our job is to ensure it's fully mission capable. And that means following the process from work order to dispatch every single time. Thank you for your time. I hope this briefing gave you a clear understanding of what Army maintenance operations look like and why they matter. Thank you.